and welcome back to Little Tashi's Chef Corner. And we're making donuts! So, first, you have to ask adult for help to use this. This is how, and this is how you do the donuts. See these little shiny things in here? And you use this to pour the water. And we're gonna make this donuts with cake in a box. And this is so this won't get stuck. And then you start to pour and put it in the oven. It doesn't get stuck. This is Lunamum. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, this is an egg. See how small this is? And this is the color of it. It's pretty. Isn't that cute? I know it looks white, but it's actually pink. So you have to put all of it inside. Then just put this over here. The first cup is vinegar. First cup, you have to pour vinegar. And then, second cup, big one, melts it down. And you do this, the mixing.
You can do the mixing.
Mixture is pretty, isn't it? Now you have to wash your hands before you put it in the oven. Now that my hands are all clean, make sure you ask an adult to clean up all of the messes around you. Make sure you get mittens and do it with an adult if you want to put it in the oven with your adult. Make sure you get kid mittens. Hello, my name is Sherman the Crab. This one's so big. Now we have to do is while our donuts cook, we're going to make the frosting for the donuts slowly cook. So we need 3 cups of sugar. So here's the next step. Half all of it. Now first you put the butter. Then that's how it tastes better. Then you put some milk. But put it in a nice shape. Now you start to stir. Delicious. Now let's go see if our donuts are ready. Come on, follow me. Well, we cooked the donuts and they still turned out to be like cupcakes. I think we added too much milk, batter. Now I'm going to start dunking them like this. They float. They float.
No. You silly girl.
What?
You gotta keep your hands on them and then pull it out.
Some of these turn into a disaster, but they still are. I only have 2 left, and then we're gonna give it to them. Okay, now let's paste one. That's all good. Bye.
Hi!
Yes.
Ooh, my dessert. What is it?
Yummy sandwich stones.
Oh,
Make
wow.
them for me.
Nice. Thank you. Delicious. Oh, you like it too?
Like wow! That is it for today of our show. Make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out more of our videos. Bye. Like and subscribe.